was up? It's day like 3. I don't know. I spent most of yesterday on this door. Problem is, this door lock is rusted in place, so I'm trying to take the whole latch out. But I'm having problems with it. I still need to take the handle out first. But that's what I'm working on right now. There's a screw there, and then you have to untwist this, and then you should be able to get it out. Okay, so on this door, I took it back apart. This, it rotates fine. Nothing wrong with it. This one, it's seized, does not move. And that also goes for the outside door handle. I stuck a key in it, and it will not turn. So currently, I'm trying to get this latch out. I got the door handle off. You just had to untwist it. And I got the bolt to the window track off. But I can't quite get it out because of where the window track is. And I don't really want to break anything, so I'm not really sure what to do from here. Okay, well, I couldn't quite figure it out. So I took this WD-40 and I just lathered it up. I mean, I put like probably half this can in there. And guess what? It's locking and unlocking. I'm still trying to move it around a little bit, make sure I break all that rust loose. But it's good that I don't have to take the window out and the window motor and all this bullshit just to take the frickin' latch out. I'm good that it's like it can stop here, because that would pain me. So I get to put all this back together and then finally mount the door. Also, I started sanding a little bit. Just a little bit. And when I say I poured a shit ton in there, I mean just, of course the camera doesn't go quite that far in, but I mean just look at it. It is lathered up. So yeah, WD-40 is the solution. It's working pretty well now. Just have to break the rust loose. Okay, we're taking this door handle and putting it on this door. We also have a helper now.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Coming and knock it out. Get it done.
Day 3, let's do it. Alright, so we almost got the door handle out of here. And I luckily got the bolts this time because they're missing on that side. So we can swap the handles over and put the door on. Alright, so it's definitely a struggle because of how this door is dented. But we finally got this handle out. And we only broke one thing. But this is untacked on the other door. So all I really need to do is put this in, or take it off and put it on the other door, and then use that one, and we'll be okay. Alright, so we finally got this door handle in, and it still locks. So we're going to see if it works on the outside with the key. Alright, moment of truth. Lock, unlock, lock. Cool, it works. Alright guys, we mostly got the door mounted. We're just tightening some of the bolts so we can get it all the way on. We will update when it is in place, but everything's working as it should. Alright, so we were starting with the driver's side door, but the problem is, as we were taking the door handle out, we broke off part of the lock cylinder. So what I'm going to try and do is go in with tweezers and try and like cut it off or something, or see what I can do with it. So I will update later. Alright, I'll put it back together just to do test fit of all the body panels. It actually looks really seamless. There's no panel gaps anywhere, which is, what I was hoping for. And he wanted a test drive, so we went ahead and drove it a little bit. I'll probably edit in a poll or something.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting connection. Bluetooth connection.
Yeah! with this side done, this concludes this rebuild video. What we're gonna do in the next one is fix this door finally, because we ended up fucking it up. We actually broke part of this off, so we have to swap it from this door. We'll get the door back over. This fender's not fully mounted, don't worry about it. And then finish with sanding. And then Bondo this up. That might be 2 videos though. But my goal by the end is to at least have a primered car.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. This probably looks funny with wide angle. Adios.